How's your preparation for the examination going? This is going to be a magic video. People who's going to watch this video will score 100 in the examination, and I'll tell you the tricks how to score 100. No, 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 no. If I'm telling that, I am actually cheating and I'm lying to you. I can't do any magic. I don't know any magic. I can't tell you how to miraculously pass the examination in 3 days. But if you put decent amount of efforts all these days, if you worked really hard, if you studied really well, this last 3-4 days before the examination is very important and critical. Because if you have not worked hard all these days, nothing will happen in these 3 days. But if you worked hard all these days, these 3 days are also important. If you can revise well in this next 3-4 days, if you can utilize these 3-4 days wisely, then your 60 can become 70, 70 can become 80, 80 can become 90, 90 can give you an AR also. What I've done is the same syllabus what we've discussed of advanced accounting, module 1, module 2, module 3. I've divided into 2 categories. One, only revise, and next one, must revise some standards which need writing practice. Writing practice means here I don't want you to sit and audit the answer. See the question, see the answer. Oh, sir has done it correctly. Oh, ICA material is right. Please don't check us. We've done decent amount of hard work. The material answer will be correct. I want you to write and practice. But some standards, if you just revise through our quick book, quick chart book, or you see the quick revision video or the marathon revision video, that will be sufficient. What are the topics for which only revision is sufficient? For framework, revision is sufficient. Don't have to do writing practice of answers. Same when it comes to your accounting standard 1, accounting standard 18, accounting standard 24 and 25. Because here the problems are not that difficult that you have to write and practice. Even if you just glance them through the chart or the quick revision video or marathon, sufficient. Same when it comes to your accounting standard 10, accounting standard 26, 29, 4, 5. I'm not telling these are less important. I'm telling these don't need so much of time. Same with AS 9 and AS 27. These again, don't waste your time practicing by spending time on writing practice. Just go through the quick revision video or marathon or go through your book, and that will be sufficient. Same when it comes to nothing in module 3. Module 3, everything you have to do writing practice. Whatever has to be writing practice, I'll give it in green. You have to write and practice all the units in module 3. Financial statements, cash flow, buyback, amalgamation, accounting for reconstruction, branches completely. And in standards, I'll come from the beginning. So in accounting standard applicability, from the last time only there is an amendment from September 25 attempt only. Please check this. And one more place there is amendment is accounting standard 22. In the recent RTP they have put this OECD and top up tax base. Both of it, it's there as a separate video. Please do watch that. You will find it in the same YouTube channel where you're watching this video. Don't skip that amendment video. Please do watch it. Then cash flow statement, segment reporting, please do write and practice. Segment reporting might sound like a small topic, but only if you have written and practiced, you'll be able to crack it in the exam. Otherwise, you'll be able to still do, but you end up wasting more time on the topic. Then EPS, please do write and practice. Similar to same thing with AS2, valuation of inventories, investment, borrowing costs, leases, impairment, employee benefits. In these standards, please write the problems and then practice them. I mark it green, I mark them green. This and then these 3, impairment, and AS11, AS22, AS7, then AS12 government grant, AS14 amalgamation, 21 and 23. 23, except for that one attempt, the questions have not come in the recent time. There can be a question anytime soon. Please do revise them. I've not done any ABC analysis or kind of probably highly probable chapters or something because I don't have any knowledge or basis to the ICAI's question paper to do this analysis. All that I'm trying to tell you is be aware of entire syllabus. In the exam, you decide which topic you want to skip and which topic you would not want to. I'll tell you what to do and in which order. Before that, couple of do's and don'ts. First one, trust your preparation. If you have done well all these days, your exam will go amazingly well. It can't go terrible just because of these 3 days. These 3 days will add that extra 10 marks. If not, also you'll still get 60. With good efforts in these 3 days or 4 days, you can increase it by plus 10 marks. But trust your preparation, trust your faculty, whoever you read from, trust your book, whichever you read from, trust whatever you done to be the right method. Next one, don't skip writing practice. Please do writing practice. To help you in writing practice, this time we're coming with something new. Every day, I'm going to say not every day, for 2 days, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I am going to keep you people warmed up. Today is from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, a complete discussion of mock paper. It's like one of the mock papers from the past. I'll solve the entire 70 marks descriptive part. All I want you to do is sit with me 2 to 5, take your question book, take the printout of that PDF, whatever you wish it, take your paper, pen, calculator, and then write. If you can sit from 2 to 5 for next 2-3 days, trust me, your examination will go amazingly well. What a lot of us are doing is we study late in the night, we sleep in the afternoon, 2 to 5, we don't write, 2 to 5. I want you to keep the 2 to 5 the most active part of your day. Don't sleep, don't eat, don't do anything other than sitting and writing. 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock for the next 3-4 days, you're only going to sit and write. 2 days, in the next 3-4 days, I'll keep you occupied by uploading 2 practice sessions. You can watch that and you can solve with me. Other days you can study, or you can take 2 other mock papers and you can try and solve, or any of the PYQs you can take and solve. So what I wanted to do is in the next 4 days, every day 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. 4 days, 2 days I'll upload 2 videos. Other 2 days you take any of the previous year exam questions or do the RTP. 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, sit and write. Don't start advanced accounting 5 days, 6 days in advance. I'm an advanced accounting faculty. The subject is advanced accounting, but still I don't want you to start in advance. Why? The only reason is paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, paper 5, paper 6. You don't have choice. You only have 1.5 days. I'm keeping that audit exception aside. Just because paper number 1 is advanced accounting, don't start 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, 10 days in advance. This will have a positive impact on advanced accounting. I will be happy. I won't put any story, but I can be very happy that students did well in my paper. But that will be too selfish of me to ask you to start 5-6 days in prior. I'll tell you the reason. More time you give for advanced accounting will make you feel less connected to law paper. So the day you're watching this video, I would still suggest you to watch your or study your law paper. No advanced accounting faculty would say this. They'll be happy if students study their paper, but I don't want you to only score exemption in advanced accounting. I want you to pass that. It's okay if you score 5 marks less in accounts, but I'll be happy if you pass the entire group or if you pass both the groups. So don't start advanced accounting way too early. Another reason is if you start 5 days in advance, no, by the time you come to the day before exam, what you did 4 days ago will actually be forgotten, to you. So 3 is good. If you're scared, 4, but not more than that. If you can't revise it completely in 3 days, then let me not tell. I would say I would want you to prepare in 3, at max 4. Don't spend more than 4 days. Then the plan is like this. T-3 is 3 days before the exam. I'd want you to do introduction and framework, financial statements and cash flow. Financial statements, if you do first, it will give one good hold for you to do amalgamation, consolidation, internal reconstruction later. And I want you to do some warm-up kind of standards, 1, 17, 18, 20, 24, and 25, along with 2, 10, 13, and 16. And 2 days before the exam, do amalgamation, internal reconstruction, 2 big chapters in the morning. And after that, once the day progresses, you do standards like 19, 26, 28, and 15, 29, 4, 5, 11, 22. And 1 day before the exam, you do consolidation and branch and applicability of accounting standards. There is an amendment there. And do 4, 5, 11, 22, 7, 9, 12. 22 again, there is an amendment. And if there is anything left over, do it on the exam day before you go. It will be good if there is something left for the exam day. Because if you finish everything, then the exam day you start panicking. You don't know what to do. You'll pick all that you have skipped. All that it is irritating. Or some random telegram or PDF you got, you start reading that. Or some new faculty's new video. If you don't watch this, you will fail in the exam. You'll start watching that and then getting scared. If there is something left from this day, or this day, I am very happy because your first, that exam day morning is occupied. You will do only that and do nothing else. If in case you finish everything on time, then what to do? The exam day. Simple, take one RTP, January 26 RTP. or September 25 RTP. Take one of the RTP, take one of the PYQ, or take one of the model paper, or do quick revision of what you already read in the past, or quick revision of those standards what you find important or difficult. You do it from the material that you already done only. This is how you're going to plan. I know what you should carry. Sorry, you know what you should carry. Carry your admit card, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, stationery. Carry one identification proof also. Main importantly, carry that smile, unseen crown on your head. Go show up to the examination. And I really hope you'll do really well. Don't carry any cheats, nor will I come and give any. Because you know it, you want to become a professional chartered accountant, not a cheater. Stay friends, nothing else. You will do really well. Don't get tensed. Don't get highly motivated. All like conserve your energy. You need it for 6 papers and wait for 5 o'clock on the exam day. I'm going to discuss all the answers with the case scenario MCQs. 5 o'clock dot. Wait for that video. Remember to stay in the game. See you all on the other side. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.